Yeah, thanks. I think they're cute too. What type of birds do you have? Oh, a galah. Wow, that'd be quite noisy. And a parrot. That's so cool. They're both noisy birds, really, aren't they? What is it, a white parrot or black or one of those grey and pink ones? Pretty. Okay, very pretty. I like the colour green on birds. And yellow too. Yeah, yellow goes well with green. John Jones's head, he's got a crown with yellow on it, and yeah, it definitely does go well with green. But that's so cool, a menagerie. So cats, dogs, and birds. Hey, Johnny boy. Johnny, come to mama. Hey, Johnny. Up, you're giving bloody Buster a preen, are you? I don't think she don't think she needs too much of that these days, Johnny boy. No. Although I can tell you've been plucking some of her feathers out on top of her head. Yes, I can tell that. Um, Johnny with the yellow crown is quite often drawn towards the camera, and he'll look right into the lenses, and it's the funniest thing to actually see. Yeah, Dandy, the crowns on the birds are beautiful, especially on galahs actually. What type of dogs do you have? Okay. So I've actually got a dog too, a Maltese Shih Tzu, who actually used to be a service dog for me. But she's now 10 and she's now retired, so, and enjoying life as a retiree. Wow, a hound. They're quite a beautiful dog. They've got weird bark, so don't they? It's very deep. Is that right? Yeah, my dad used to have an aviary, and and he used to quite often have birds in there like quails and cockatoos and parrots, but other things as well. So I'm not sure whether he was like one of those people that were fostered animals or whatever until they got well and back on their feet, because they weren't, like, they came into the house and one day they were never there. So I just assumed he was some sort of wildlife warrior, or not that, it's a bit intense, but used to take care of the wildlife and mend them back to health. Dandy, do your parrots, pluck each other's feathers to the extent that you can see their ears or their raw skin? Just out of curiosity, because that's what Johnny Boy did to Buster when she was still young and her feathers were coming through. Thanks, friend. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see. Oh, they're in separate cages. Okay.